Students, in our last class we have discussed about the skeletal system and a muscular system. Today we will study about the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system is one of the most vital organ system of the body that supports mainly our internal and external respiration. Humans breathe through something called the respiratory system. What I have told, humans breathe through something called the respiratory system. When we breathe, we take oxygen from air and remove carbon dioxide from the body. Our body needs oxygen. The body also produces carbon dioxide, which is a waste product and must be removed from the body. The respiratory system helps the body get oxygen from the air. It also helps in removing carbon dioxide. We breathe oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from our body. This process is called respiration. Respiration means the inhaling of oxygen and the exhaling of carbon dioxide. Clear? We breathe is about 16,000 to 24,000 times in a day. So how many times we breathe? We breathe at least 20,000 times per day. Respiratory system includes mainly nose, windpipe and lungs. Moreover, throat and voice box are included there. Next one is digestive system. The digestive system helps in the digestion of food. We need energy to do various activities. We get this energy from the food we eat. The food we eat needs to be broken down into smaller and simpler substances that can be used by the body. This process of breaking down food into simpler forms inside the body is called digestion. The process of digestion takes place in many steps inside many organs of our body. The process of digestion takes place in many steps inside many organs of our body. All the organs of the body that take part in this process together form the digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus are the organs of the digestive system. Okay, thank you.